Jaguar. The jaguar is a large cat species. Loin. The loin is a large cat of the genus Panthera, native Africa. Wolf. The wolf, also known as the grey wolf or grey wolf. Leopard. The leopard cat is a small wild cat native Africa. Elephant. Elephants are the largest existing land animals. Horse. The horse is a domesticated. Camel. Camel is a desert animal. Tiger. The tiger is the largest living cat species and a member of the genus Panthera. Giraffe. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal. Bear. Bears are carnivorous mammals of the family Ursidae. Gorilla. Gorillas are herbivorous. Panda. The jail panda is a bear species endemic to China. Deer. Deer or true deer are hoofed ruminant mammals. Sheep. Sheep or domesticated sheep are domesticated. Cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. Zebra. Zebras are African equines with distinctive black and white streak. Alligator. Alligator of the family Alligatoridae. Goat. The goat is a member of the animal family Bovidae and the tribe Caprini. Polar bear. Polar bear is the hypercarnivorous species of bear. Rabbit. Rabbits are small mammals in the family Leopardidae. Monkey. Monkeys are generally considered to be intelligent. Hen. The chicken is a domesticated jungle fowl species. Cow. Cows is very friendly animal. Panther. Black panther is the melanistic color variant of the leopard and the jaguar. Dog. Dogs were the first species to be domesticated. Dolphin. Dolphin species belong to the families Delphinidae. Cat. The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. Kangaroo. Kangaroos are four marsupials from the family.